Hi, it's me Harshal, and today my video's topic is to share you about my journey, about something I never told you. And this book is one of the best book I am ever reading about the stories which are fiction and learning through it and just sharing you my experience. I just want to give shout out to Shravya Bhindre, Bhinder. Shravya Bhinder, one of the best author. I have never read this type of stories. He or she, I don't know gender, but the author have made us made me feel that I can read English in the fluent way and I can understand it in best way. There is many difference in the authors which are from different countries and the authors which are in from our countries. mm, the main difference here comes with the vocabulary they use, and yes, Shravya Binder has used the best and simple English, which genuinely is one of the funnier and best English I have ever read. By the way, I'm reading this book. I don't like to read fictional books, as I haven't that much experience in it, and I don't want to give my opinion on my favorite genre, as I am new to book reading, and I have built up the habit, as I read every day some sort of things, and just I just track it how what I read and how much I read. So for now, I'm reading this book, and these books are as teaching me about relationships, how relationship works, what are the things that really matters in relationship. There is a story. There is a story of Ronak, Eka Roni, and his introvertness and his struggle to confess his love towards Adira, and it is one of the best story I have ever read. The starting is very fantastic, and I am on middle part of the book, and I have just read around 101 pages, and having a great experience till now. I am just having trust on this author that he will never ever uh, spoil my ending part. Just the author have just printed two books. Something I never told you. Something I want to tell you, or something like that. I have both the books with me. I am just reading it first, and will try to share my experience with chapters, as in uh, my blog, or something type of videos that I will upload daily. And so for now, I will do the introduction to the book. So in this book, something I never told you, the author Shravya Bhinder was just was struggling to write the book, as he was just procrastinating like us. We we do we do, we do same whenever we have phone in our hand. We just scroll the reels and scroll the videos and just scroll the apps icon here and there, and just having an addiction on phone really stuck a person there. And same way, he was procrastinating to write a story, but somehow he managed to sit on the desk and made himself write this story. And the story has been written from that point of time and from that point of place. And the story starts like, there is a name Ronak who really don't like his name, and he want to change it, so he change it in college, as his friends and his besties called him Ronnie as an tip, as an as an token name in our Marathi language. And he was an introvert. He don't have that much friends. He was having a best friend known as Rohit, and he shared everything with him. And for then they both cousins. Yeah, he was his cousin too, as well as, and he was just older than him and having a great experience uh, with him. And he both share each other the secrets of each other, and they know each other very well. And as a cousin, the they have the plus point as they can meet every time and they have the connection. So the story just start that the Ronnie, who is living with his grandmother known as Nani, and the mother of his mummy. And her grandmother just runs PG. So to make just to complete the rooms and just occupy the place and make an income through it. So she used to just accept the girls only, as the boys are the worst. Best college going boys are the worst worst PG peoples she can accept, because she was having the experience of the boys and she don't like boys in the PGs, which she was just asking for. And as Adhira was a PG girl who lived there, and our hero, our main character Ronnie, just liked her, but he was too much introvert and not able to speak and confess his love to her when she was in her college period. And the story begins here. I will share only this part, as from tomorrow I will just read many pages and explain you the story with fluency, and I will try to explain how it helped me as well. And just please, if possible, don't listen from me, but read it once and give it one chance to just be in your hands and just watch it once. Yeah, I just want to thank you, Shravya sir or ma'am. Shravya, I think he's a male. Sorry, Authorji, I am not aware of these things, but yeah, I am new to reading, and yes, loving this book. I really want to share this to you. By the way, my camera is not that clear, and thank you for now. Signing off. It's me, Harshi. Bye. Meet you soon. It's I think 12th May, and my papers are going to start. I didn't have a preparation till now, and I'm just procrastinating as much as I can. This video was in my task, and I have done it, completed it, and I will upload it now. The time is around 11 o'clock. So let's go. Bye. And thank you, Harshal, for just expressing yourself daily. And I am getting to know that you are getting better day by day in expressiveness. Your expressiveness is just promoting day by day. I'm loving your way of talking. Let's see how much it will get better day by day. How skilled will be you? How skilled will be your side? And just buy from me and have a great day. I just want to say you one thing: don't give up. You are always at the best place. There are many people who are just low as from you, and just don't compare yourself with others. Be yourself. You are the best at the time. You are just being present, and just utilize the time and make somewhat changes in yourself. Your thinking will change, your perspectives will change, your opinions will change to on the peoples which were looking dangerous to you before, but somehow you will think to change your perspective and just you will show gratitude to them. Bye from me. Thank you.